ke Sohra International Half Marathon 2022 kalalong ka bajab da ka jami pajba kinong mare jong ka jalla barkum juru da ka jingwan Nongiashim Bynta da kinong mare ki bade na shabar kan ka jalla bar ki kattu kat Ngut ki bade na ki wei pat kiri ya kan ka Jacob la phia hakikerdan de khun beper kata ke elite kinthai bat shinrang Megalaya PRC kinthai bat shinrang 10 kilometer kinthai bat shinrang barkum juru ka run for fun 1 kilometer kinthai bat shinrang haba khen kelum Nongiashim Bynta kilong lai spa san ngut ki shinrang shi spa lai pinyot ki kinthai barbaro ki bla poi Nongiashim Bynta ha kan ka Jacob mare hagi kedan yakun beper kilong south spa khandai pu angut ukong san ubla khawe e kalama ka jingsdang jogane ka Jacob uday director ka tanat sports and youth affairs US awasti IAS barha ka por basami ki khusnam lawan baniadan langru usampat kumar commissioner secretary barla sakhi langru de ki record nongkit kam jok MSOA ki officer jok tanat sports bar ki DSO
And this international marathon, which is conducted on the Golden Jubilee celebrations of statehood, this is something very important for us. And I'm sure, I was talking to Dr. Vijay, I think if this kind of a marathon can become an annual event, that would actually make people to really look for coming and participating. So I think more and more participation would happen. I think this is so important. As as a health secretary, I would like to tell you, there is nothing better than doing this, because when we talk about health, people only talk about medicine, but there is much more before medicine. That is the preventive health. I think that happens only if young people and everyone, not only young people, young and old and everyone, start participating in this kind of an exercises. Especially marathon is something, it's like a meditation. It provides both physical health as well as mental health, which is also very, very important. I'm sure this is a very good initiative taken up by the Sports and Youth Department, and I really congratulate each one of you for participating in this, and I'm sure this will also kickstart a kind of a movement in the state, not only in the state, maybe in the country, for more and more people participating and acting on this kind of a very positive preventive health activities. So
kalong kasngi ka pastunat but kalong ka fast international marathon jong ka Sohra.
Hello, son, where are you?
Ay kulay sibun kanya ka Sohra half marathon bakla pelong ya kani ka jingi marathon te nga aku mi be ilong kumi jong ka sanpo snem sajrong Nongiashim Bynta ya kani ka 10 kilometer te hakan ka jingi mare jong nga menta ngala long baningkong naki sanpo snem sajrong jong ki kenthai
Sila berpatai hindat tinggi kumno fi poi long bun ki kintai hari sanpo kim jupai mare syam rekai berpelong fi ban haru fin lang ban compete kan lo kumno fi krek la dia na
kajibang krek tengam dadan tan man ka dari kalong kumi ngabun kampalat haying te kawai kalong kajing standard jong ahi bat kawai ru kalong ka kajing I'm sim na yeng na do ikpa na do bakikun baro ki I'm sim yang kumtanga yo ya kajing job ha kan kasngi
long kari smart balik mare step pertene kumno ne kari
kajing mana step ngam smart na marwalay ngalong kalong kami bun kam hapan biang ki kun ki sayang te habang adon kini ki jing mare kini ki gini habadon kani kajing mare kani jing la kai kumni te ngasai li protesi katukan ni sngi nrim di ong man kasngi de man katayom de man kunai habayo yo ban lai mare kumni te ngasai li protesi si tayo ai
mana khat phatari ngadang mare apo Kolkata amta gata ta steel Kolkata 25k naka sanpho kategori 50 to 55 te nga poi apo ga 4% sikenta so prime minute te nga hone kene ka timing ba nga poi alis ba ki nong mare gababun ba gidi international boy sabar banyakhon Nongiashim Bynta para kaju ka kategori ba yu te hangni po Sohra ru kalong ka jaka mare ka jaka kalong ka basut tenat ba mar kini ki environment kini ki kilom kiwa ka surok lu kalong ka ba sutenat ba kalong ka ba ban mare marathon kawai ru ngadai unang mare jong ka mekhalia polis Nongiashim Bynta bun kim jong ka all India police kim cross country tengarang mare makanya po jong ka yu tanga poi ka koi ka gold medal ba silver namta first service nga posting jongaru kadai hangni nga training po first service tekani kadai training ru jongahi tenga sultanat menta bangayo ban klik ikani ka timing ru live 1 minute atau second kadai ka best timing jonga hangni po Sohra ru ba 10k te ngai tanat gibrio Sohra ru baki ya thap kti ya support gibon ya support lor brokhoi hapa bingi mare kani ka pani ka burom ya ke jela Meghalaya pada kari India ru khamtam kini international ki bawan sabar bulan kinang pura bulan ki i bagi beriu ki i bagi marathon ki support te kani kali kawai ka message ka best tam ka you te kawai ngaku ban ai ka marathon kan promote su bun i kategori babun ba Pynlong kum ka jingilong perlok baru ki bajob omdai tanga marwai bajob bat kitu benkong ba arbala nilai baru kai Nongiashim Bynta ni kidai kinong job nomor badai ngidai kita ki finisher bat ngi klik la ka jong ka best timing to khui sibu ni fi ba